So, I'm going to be making another video of my fan going in reverse, and we're going to use the polar air fan to do it. Here we go. Wow, look. Yeah, this thing is definitely working well. Look at it. Turn it off.